Hello, my dear friend. I am Grandpa Joe. Welcome. Come in and get cozy. It is night now. The world is quiet. The day is done, and you are tired. That is good. That is just right. It is time to sleep soon. So please, lie down. Pull up your warm blanket. Rest your head on the soft pillow. Let your body sink down, slow and heavy. Tonight, we will do something old and gentle and sleepy. We will count sheep. Yes, soft, white sheep. One by one, slowly. It is a lovely way to rest, and it is a lovely way to learn your numbers in English. Slow and easy. You do not need to try hard. Not tonight. Just listen, just breathe, and let the little sheep help you fall asleep. Are you ready? Good. Let us begin. Very slowly. Close your eyes, my friend. Now, picture a soft green field, a wide, quiet field. The grass is green and soft. The night air is cool and calm. The sky is dark and gentle. There is a big round moon. It gives a soft silver light over the field. And in the field, there is a little wooden gate, a small gate, an old brown gate. And by the gate, there are sheep, soft white sheep, fluffy and warm. They are calm. They are quiet. One by one, they will walk to the gate, and one by one, they will jump over it. Soft little jumps, and we will count them slowly together. Do not rush. Just watch them in your mind and breathe in and out. Here comes the first one now. Here comes the first sheep. It walks slowly to the gate. Soft steps on the soft grass. Step, step, step. It stops. It looks at the gate. And then it jumps. Up and over. So gentle. So soft. One sheep. There it goes, over the gate, into the field. It walks a little and lies down on the soft grass. One soft white sheep. And now, here comes the next one. Slowly, calmly, it walks to the little gate. It stops, and then it jumps. Up and over. Two sheep. Two soft sheep in the field now. Breathe in and count with me if you like. One sheep, two sheep. Very good. There is no hurry. The sheep are slow. The night is long, and you are growing sleepy. Let us count some more. Here comes the third sheep. It walks to the gate, soft and slow. It jumps, up and over. Three sheep. And now the fourth. It walks, it stops, it jumps, up and over. Four sheep. Good. And now the fifth. Slowly to the gate. It stops for a moment, and over it goes. Five sheep. Five soft white sheep in the quiet field. They rest together on the soft grass, under the silver moon. Let us say them together. slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done, my friend. Your numbers are growing, and your eyes are growing heavy. That is good. Keep breathing, in and out. Watch the sheep. They are calm, they are soft, and they are helping you rest. Here comes the next one now. Here comes the sixth sheep. It walks to the gate, slow and calm, and it jumps. Over it goes. 6 sheep. And now the seventh. Soft steps, a little stop, and over 7 sheep. And now the eighth. Slowly to the gate, and over 8 sheep. Good. And the ninth one now. It walks, it jumps, and over it goes. 9 sheep. And now the 10th sheep. Slow and soft. It jumps up and over the little gate. 10 sheep. 10 soft white sheep in the quiet field. Let us count them all very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lovely. You are doing so well, and you are so sleepy now. The field is full of soft sheep now, 10 little sheep, resting on the green grass. They lie down one by one in the soft moonlight. They are calm, they are quiet, and you feel calm and quiet too. Let your body grow heavy. Let your head rest on the pillow. Let your arms rest. Let your legs rest. There is nothing to do now, nothing to worry about. Only breathe and count and rest. The moon is soft and silver above the field. The air is cool and gentle. The little gate stands still, and more sheep are coming, slowly out of the dark. More and more soft white sheep. There is no end to them. They come one by one, soft and slow, all through the quiet night. You do not need to hurry them. You do not need to hurry yourself. You can count them as long as you like, all night long if you wish. There is always another soft white sheep, walking slowly to the gate. Always one more, soft and warm and calm. Let us count a few more, slowly, even more slowly now. Here comes another sheep, soft and slow and over the gate. 11, and another, slowly over. 12, and another, so gentle. 13, and another, soft and slow. 14, and one more, over the little gate. 15. Do not worry about the numbers now. You do not need to remember them all. Just let them float by, like soft clouds, like soft white sheep. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Your voice is quiet now. Maybe you do not say them out loud. Maybe you only think them. That is good. That is very good. You are drifting now, softly, slowly, towards sleep. The sheep keep coming, slow and soft, over the little gate, one by one. But now, you do not need to count each one. You do not need to remember any numbers. Just watch them. Soft, white, fluffy sheep jumping gently in the silver moonlight. Up and over, up and over, slow and calm. Their soft wool shines in the moon. Your eyes are heavy now, so heavy. Maybe they want to close. Let them close. Your breath is slow. Your body is soft. The field is quiet. The night is warm and safe. And the sheep go on, gently, into the dark. You do not need to do anything now. Just rest. Just breathe. Just let the soft sheep carry you, slowly, toward a deep and gentle sleep. Now, my dear friend, let us say a few soft words together, very quietly. Just a whisper. No need to move. Say, 1, 1 sheep. Say, 2, 2 sheep. Say, 3, 3 sheep. Say, sleep, time to sleep. Good, very good. You are learning your numbers softly while you rest, just by listening. And now, a gentle question before you drift away. How many sheep did you count tonight? Was it 10 or more? Or did you lose count and start to dream? That is the best answer of all. You do not need to say a word. Just keep breathing, slow and soft, and let the sheep keep jumping in your quiet mind. And now, it is time to sleep. Our counting is over, but the soft sheep stay with you now, jumping gently in your dreams all through the quiet night. Let your eyes stay closed. Let your body stay heavy and warm. If sleep is coming, let it come. Do not hold on. Just let go, softly, like a sheep drifting over the gate. Thank you for counting with me tonight, my dear friend. It makes me so happy to rest here with you. If this sleepy time helped you, please subscribe and come back soon. I will be here with easy English and soft white sheep whenever you need to rest. Rest now, my friend. Good night now. Sleep well. Sleep deep. Sweet dreams. Good night from Grandpa Joe.